The Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the rape and murder of a doctor, the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. The matter will be taken up by a bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on Tuesday. Ayush Sharma is joining us with the very latest on this story. Ayush, the Supreme Court all set to hear this matter on Tuesday.
Well, yes, Uday, this is indeed a very breaking news coming from the Supreme Court of India, where the Supreme Court bench comprising of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.V. Pardiwala, who are all set to hear this matter on Tuesday. The Supreme Court took a suo motu cognizance of this RG Kar Medical Institute matter at 13:03 hours today, when the Supreme Court decided to hear this matter in front of the bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. See, there are some major points which the Supreme Court is going to hear in this particular case. The number one is that the protesters, the doctors who are protesting regarding the alleged irregularities in the investigation by the Kolkata police. The Supreme Court will now see what were the irregularities and why were the alleged, there were statements regarding the destruction of the evidence by the protesting doctors. The second part of the suo motu cognizance is that the Supreme Court will now see whether the CBI is correctly investigating this matter or not, since the West Bengal government and especially Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee held a protest against the CBI investigation. Third part is that the safety of the doctors, the women doctors which are on the street, they have stopped the OPD services. The patients are also waiting for the services to resume, but the female doctors are especially asking for a safe working environment. The third is, and the fourth is, and the most important part is the patients who are still waiting for the OPD services to resume. See, there are emergency services which are still going on, but the OPD services have been stopped by the resident doctors. The OPD patients are still waiting for the doctors to resume their practice so that they can get their treatment done. As of now, the FORDA has stopped the services given to the OPD patients. The patients are waiting. Now, the Supreme Court has taken the cognizance, so Supreme Court will also decide and dictate the order for the resident doctors whether they have to do a strike, risking the life of the patients waiting at the OPD or not.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.